Hold on, it's not working for some reason. Keep going. I can't. The shot's not working. It's your friendly neighborhood pond king, and I am sorry, I have my ear protection on there. We are here on project number 4. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. We're already on project number 4 here of 2021. So this is our small pondless waterfall. It has a 2,000 to 4,000 gallon an hour pump, 3 underwater lights, auto top off valve, custom selected stones. We've got about 8 ton of boulders to move in, probably close to about 3,000 pounds of gravel, 16,000 pounds of boulders we're gonna be moving in, 4 aqua blocks, 3 underwater lights, diffuser, pump vault, all sorts of cool stuff. So keep watching. If you're enjoying the show, thanks for watching. Hit us a comment of some of your favorite things. I love what I gotta do, and I love that we gotta bring this area to life. So here's some before footage for you. Shahi, why don't you give them a little music montage and show them how we like to do it around our job site when we get to work, because I gotta get to work. All right, everyone. Update here. Since this was a project that we decided we were going to do late last fall, we want to make sure that we can connect with our client before we even start breaking ground. Unfortunately, they weren't able to be here this afternoon. They're going to be here this evening, and we weren't able to discuss it yet. So we have been spending the day prepping and just getting ourselves ready, staging materials, building aqua blocks, doing some of the plumbing work, and really getting ourselves set so that when they say thumbs up, I like your placing, I like your idea, let's go ahead and dig, man, we're gonna really take off. We're gonna do a lot of work tomorrow. So without further ado, we've got all our boulders here, we've got our plywood picked up, we've got gravel staged. Seth is getting us so that we have a canvas that's open and wide to play with here, and then we'll work on our placing and things of that tomorrow. We came here yesterday, as you kind of saw us prepping and getting ready for the day. Now today we actually get to work, and I am excited. The client said thumbs up. I like what you're up to. This is a good spot for it. And so with that being said, we gotta get our pondless waterfall in motion. Project number 4 gets underway right now. Hold on, it's not working for some reason. Keep going. I can't. The shot's not working.
I feel like I don't want to sign up for this.
Oh, should I have hit record?
You didn't?
You gotta go back.
I don't want to.
It is a time for an update. It is only 1:45 in the afternoon, and I say only because we have already placed like 7 or 8 tons of boulders right where we want them. So the guys are already working on the waterfall foam to get the water to do what we want. We've got some cool waterfall action. So where Seth is right now is where the diffuser is going to be. That's where we're going to be starting our waterfall. So we're going to have it come off of a cool drop. Then it's going to be forced to turn back in over another drop, and then we're going to get some cool water action where it'll split around this and disappear in. We're going to get a little bit of a bib liner that goes over the top of the liner a little bit so that we can really extend the stream. This is almost going to feel like it's about a 15-foot long waterfall when we're done with it, but it's looking fantastic. you what our team did in just one day. I want to show you. It's not 100% complete, but we are at 95% complete. It is looking fantastic. I love what I get to do for a living. I love that our clients give us an opportunity to be creative and that they give us a chance to show them that we are trustworthy, that you placed your investment with us with the right people. Because when you set us free, we do something like this. Check this out. Sponsored by Pond King Water Gardens. Living works of art, 1 yard at a time.